how about we do some origami? Now, I've done lots and lots of these paper folding, that went the earring. I've done lots and lots of these paper folding bookmarkers, like they go on the corner of your books, right? So you maybe already know how to do the folding, but then we're going to take it up a notch. Now, I'm using green construction paper because we're going to make a tree, an origami tree bookmarker. But if you don't have colored construction paper, you can always do just white paper and then color it. Duh, that's easy enough, right? And then if you have like some yellow construction paper to make a star on top of your tree, great. If you have some brown construction paper to make a tree trunk, great. And we'll go from there. Okay? Now my paper, scissors, glue possibly if you need it to glue your stuff onto your tree, okay? Now, my paper is a rectangle, right? And it needs to be a square because most origami things are square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the short side and I'm going to fold it up to the long side. Okay, so we're going to take the short side and we're going to fold it up to the long side. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to cut this extra strip off. So this we can get rid of, and you can actually save it to make smaller versions of what we're making right now, okay? Now, I'm going to turn it horizontal, just like this. We're going to take this top one. So it's a triangle, it's open to the ceiling. We're going to take the top, we're going to fold it down, straight down to the middle. If you're not sure where the middle is, look what I can do. I can fold this in half, corner to corner, put a little pinch right down here, so when I open it up, I know where that little crease is. That's the middle, okay? So I take this top, fold it down to the center, just like that. Come on. Man, it's hard to do origami holding your paper up in the air. You guys hopefully have your paper laying on the table, right? Now, we're going to take the left corner, fold it up to the middle, the right corner, fold it up to the middle, okay? So fold up, just like that. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to fold this in. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it folded down in there, okay? So fold it over and in, just like that, okay? Now this side gets folded up to the middle, just like that. Then it gets folded over and in, just like we did the first one. So we have created a pocket, okay? Here's our pocket. We're actually going to flip our pocket upside down, just like this. Now, let's get, I'm going to get a little piece of tape. You don't need one. We're going to tape this up here a minute, okay? So that way I don't have to hold it. Okay, so this is our tree shape right here. Now, our tree maybe needs a star, and I have some yellow, so I can kind of measure about how big I want my star to be, okay? And the way I make my stars is I go like a triangle, horizontal, horizontal, diagonal, 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 diagonal. So it looks something like that, okay? We're going to take this. We're going to go ahead and cut our star out. Here we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. So I got my little bitty star cut out. If you have a different way of doing a star, do it your way. If you'd rather make just a circle and put it on top, fine. That's okay. You can do that. This is yours, okay? If I want to hide all of those lines, hopefully you did yours with pencil, I can just turn it right on over when I glue it down, and then it hides it, right? So I can get me a little bit of glue. I had a glue stick out earlier. What did I do with it? Huh. Disappeared on me. Guess I'll have to use some liquid glue. If you are using liquid glue, remember just a dot, not a lot. We got to pick off that wet or dried up glue at the top. So just, oh my goodness. Okay, that doesn't want to come out. Huh. So I will get me just a teeny dot, not a lot, don't need much. Stick that on the back of the star, and then I can glue this on. Right on top of my tree. Just like that. Okay, now, oh my. Okay, now I don't have any brown construction paper here, so I could use my leftover piece that I cut off and make sure I make that wide enough. So I folded it over, kind of measure how wide to make it. Now, this would be too long of a tree trunk, so I can shorten that up. There we go. And then, easy peasy, just color it in brown, right? We'll get that all colored in. Now, sadly, it's not as pretty brown as like brown paper would be, but that's okay. There we go. There we go. See, almost looks black, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay, we'll get us some more glue. This time, I'm not going to put it on the front. I mean on the back, I'm going to put it on the front. Just like that. Okay. We're going to slide that up underneath there. Glue that down. There we go. And then if I wanted to put like some black texture on there, I could do like some rough lines, although you can't even see them because the brown is so dark. Okay, now all we have to do is add some ornaments. So you could cut out little pieces of construction paper, little scraps. Ooh, or if you don't have construction paper, you could find like an old magazine. Don't use your mama's new magazine she loves. Okay, and cut out little circles from there. If you have a hole puncher, oh my gosh, that would make the most perfect circles. Just do some little hole punches. That would make the best circles. Okay, and I'm going to put them all on top of each other. And then I'm just going to do a little cut around and around and around and around. Maybe. Ugh. There we go. And now I have all these little circles that can now become little ornaments. And just get a dot, not a lot, and stick those on there. Oop, I don't want to go too close to the edge because we have one more thing to do to our tree. One more fun little trick we're going to do. You guys are going to think it's cool. I hope anyway. Okay. Oh my goodness. Don't have quite enough glue down in that lid. There we go. Remember, just a dot, not a lot. We don't want gluey globs everywhere. Okay. So the last trick we're going to do to our tree is we are going to cut in to the side of the tree. Now, if you use construction paper like I did, this part might be kind of tricky. So be very careful. Do not hurt yourself. Okay, So what I'm going to do, here, I'll show you with marker first, is I am going to cut straight across and then diagonal. Straight across and then diagonal. Straight across, diagonal, straight across, diagonal. Okay? So then when I cut this out, it'll look kind of Christmas tree-ish. So we just cut right into that tree, tear those out, cut right into that tree. There we go. Tear those out, cut right in, cut right in. Here we go. Cut right in. There we go. And, oh my gosh. That is so cute. Look, guys, it's a Christmas tree. And this is meant to go, like, say, I don't have a book over here. Here, we'll pretend this is the book. So, it just goes right on the corner of your book to mark your place. Look how cute that tree is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so, this, my friends, is your very easy, cute origami project. Easy peasy, right? Lemon squeezy. Alright, so this can be as creative as you want. You could put as many details if you want. If you don't have colored construction paper like I did, you can find different color, like Post-it notes, pieces from magazines. I don't know, but definitely don't cut up stuff you're not supposed to. But find, or color paper, color a white piece of paper different colors, and then cut out your ornaments. Duh, that would work. Or color straight on the construction paper. That works too. But anyway, I enjoyed doing this project with you. I hope that you had a great time, and I cannot wait to do some more art with you.